Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the next question and answers which I have prepared for you. And this series is basically for the role DevOps management. Okay, so if you are preparing for this role, go ahead with this series, these question and answers, which are only I have prepared for you only, and prepare yourself. You can change the answers as well according to your experience and thinking, but if you can take this answer as it is, then it would be great because I have created this answer after checking with the interviewers, right? Yeah, so just be with me and let's go ahead and see what are the next questions for you. What are your strengths? My key strengths are automation, mindset, leadership through the collaboration, and the problem solving under pressure. So they are asking your strength, right? But you are giving six strengths in three, right? Automation, mindset, leadership through the collaboration, problem solving skill under pressure, right? Yeah. So I am highly skilled in building CI/CD pipelines from the scratch using the tools like Jenkins, GitLab, or you can say GitHub or something. Yeah, CI or Azure DevOps also you can say it out. So I focus on creating reusable, secure and the scalable automation workflows. My second strength is the ability to unite diverse team. Okay, in DevOps, success depends on the culture, not just a code. So I make it a point to foster transparency and the trust across the silos. Silos means who's the dev, ops, QA, right? And the project management team or something, right? These are all silos, Scrum Masters and any other team members, right? Product owner or something, stakeholders, many are. So these are silos. So third, I am calm under the pressure, whether it's a production outage or a tight release window as well. I bring the structure and the communication to the chaos. My teams often tell me that I bring stability when everything else is the uncertain. Of course, right? The releases are maybe giving you this uncertainty, so you have to take care about the backup plans. You have to maintain all these things on one page, like you can use the Confluence pages where you can give the access those team members or those teams who are really going to be a part of this release windows or something. Okay, yeah, other than stakeholders, product owners, scrum master, you are have to give them the access for that Confluence pages. Okay, and I think that's one of the best qualities of the DevOps lead can offer. Correct. Yeah, you are preparing for this answer. What are the strengths? You are not going to stop yourself with the one first sentence. You have to elaborate within next 2 minutes, right? Yeah. So the next question, what are your weaknesses? Of course, if they are asking you these strengths, of course they are going to ask you your weaknesses as well. So one area I have worked to improve is the delegation. Early in my career, I had a tendency to take on too many technical tasks on myself, trying to ensure that everything was perfect. Over time, I realized that as a leader, my impact multiplies when I empower others instead of doing it all myself. So delegation word is the important one, right? Yeah. So I consciously started delegating responsibilities, pairing junior engineers with me on the automation task, mentoring them through the incidents management and giving them the ownership of smaller projects as well. So it's still something I keep an eye on it. Of course, you have to keep eye on it, but I have learned that the best DevOps leaders create the self-sufficient team, not the dependencies around themselves. Got my point? You are telling them your weaknesses, but how you overcome from that, and giving, of course, you are giving them also the best things, right? That delegation, self-sufficient team or something. You are giving them mentorship, coaching as well, right? Yeah. So the next question: how could co-workers describe you? We have discussed this, right? You can use as it is, or you can prepare. This is a new way I have prepared for you. That is, my colleagues would describe me as approachable, solution focused, and the technical dependable. They often mention that I am a go to person when something needs fixing quickly, but also when someone needs to talk through the challenges or an idea. They appreciate that I don't just say that what's wrong. I focus on how we can fix it together. This is the important sentence, right? In feedback sessions, teammates have told me through that they value my calm presence during incidents and my structured approach to solving the problems. I think that comes from my belief that the DevOps is not about doing the superhero or something. It's about enabling everyone around you to perform at their best, right? Yeah. So, the next question: are you willing to relocate? Of course, say yes. Okay, don't say no. Yes, I am open to relocate if it's aligned with the organizational long-term goals and offer opportunities to make a larger impact. Think about this sentence. Why we are saying that organization long-term goals? Because sometimes that project contract will be only 6 months or something, 1 year something. Okay, if you are relocating, you are taking your family or something, right? And you have to relocate after that again to your best location. It's not possible, right? And again, why long term goals? You have to say them because sometime after 6 months or 1 month contract, they will directly put you in other projects where really it's not related to your directly your grow career growth or something. It's maybe harmful for your career growth, right? Yeah. And that time you won't get any option without accepting them. Why? Because you have already relocated your family or something, right? So you have to think before relocate, but you have to convey the things to them as well. Yes, I am open to relocate if, don't use the but, okay, if it's aligned with the organization's long-term goals and offers opportunity to make a longer impact. That said, in modern DevOps environment, a hybrid or a flexible setup often works best. Since much of our collaboration happens across the distributed teams through the tools like Slack, Jira, CI/CD, dashboard. But if being on site will help me understand systems and the teams better as well, especially during the transformation phases, I would be happy to relocate to ensure the success of the project. Okay, you are telling them as well that is success of the project, and you are fixing your problems as well. Okay, that should not be arise after your, sometimes after some 6 months or one. Okay, so I have prepared these answer for you after thinking so much and taking the considerations, taking with the interviewers or something. Okay, so just be specific, be clear, okay, while you are giving interviews. So we have just discussed four question and answer in this today's video. Just be with me, and you're having any concerns, just put it in the comment box. If you like this video, just share, subscribe my channel, share these videos or series as well with your friends, colleagues who are really preparing for this interview and they need this help. Okay, just give them this your help, right? Yeah, just be with me. Thank you.